In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the accelerator pedal position sensor, also known as the gas pedal, on a 2018 Chevy Malibu. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can produce more how-to videos for you. So up here under the dash, we're going to remove the electrical clip, pull towards you on the red safety, and then there's a button you'll depress on the right-hand side of the clip and pull. Here's what the button looks like. Depress it. Tuck that away, and we're going to remove the one 10mm bolt right there. And here's the best part. Just lift up on the pedal and it slides right out of there. No more dreading, is there a hidden bolt? No, there isn't. Take your new part, slide it in. I'm gonna put the screw back in, plug it in. The new GM one, the clip is on the opposite side, it appears. Safety, clip installed. Install your bolt, and then clear your check engine light if you so need. Again, please subscribe to my channel, and that helps me produce more content for you guys. Thanks for watching.